Introducing Thermostir appliances from Gourmet Simplicity. The Cooking Master is a thermostir appliance that will automatically stir and cook food for you. It features the non-stick removable thermostir pot with the built-in stirrer. For cleaner air, a low-emissions ventilation system. And the touchpad is easy to operate. The Cooking Master can cook raw meats and vegetables in under 6 minutes. The thermostir pot is easy to clean by hand and is dishwasher safe. Imagine the time you will save every day. The Cooking Master is perfect for sauces, vegetables, and meats, and can even make desserts and snacks. It's easy to use too. Just load your ingredients into the thermostir pot. Then select your program. The simmer option is great for sauces. And your food is ready to serve. Your Cooking Master will make fajitas, rice and risotto, chicken and seafood dishes, oatmeal, fudge, applesauce, and more. The Cooking Master is ideal for vegetarian and vegan lifestyles. It's also very diet-friendly and promotes healthier eating. The Cooking Master is available now for $1.99. Your Cooking Master is backed by a manufacturer's 1-year full replacement warranty. For more information, visit us online at cookingmaster.com or call us toll-free at 877-331-COOK. That's 877-331-COOK.